Just tell me when you want me to start.
All right. You roll the camera. I'm going live already. Are you ready? Okay. So, what's going on 3, 2, 1? Go ahead.
Declaration of Grievance. New California is a new state in development, exercising its constitutional right to form from the state of California. The process to form a new California is authorized and codified in Article 4, Sections 3 and 4 of the United States Constitution. Whenever any form of government becomes destructive, it is the right of the people to alter or abolish it, and to institute new government. When a long train of abuses and acts to seize and hold the people's power without legal authority and pursuing invariably the same object that clearly demonstrates a design to reduce them under absolute despotism, it is their right, it is their duty to throw off such government and to provide new guards for their future security. So it is the history of the present governor and government of California of repeated injuries and usurpations, all having in direct object the establishment of a tyranny over the counties of New California and the state of California. Whenever any form of government becomes destructive of these ends, it is the right of the people to seek a constitutional remedy and seek a remedy to the abuse of these powers. United States Constitution, Article 4, Section 3 states in part, new states may be admitted by the Congress into this union, but no new state shall be formed or erected within the jurisdiction of any other state, nor any state be formed by the injunction of two or more states or parts of states without the consent of the legislatures of the states concerned as well as of the Congress. The United States Constitution, Article 4, Section 4 states in part, the United States shall guarantee to every state in this union a republican form of government, and shall protect each of them against invasion, and on application of the legislature or of the executive, when the legislature cannot be convened, against domestic violence. Therefore, the counties of New California bring forward 40 grievances against the government of California to be announced in public on Tuesday at 11 a.m. each week for the next 40 weeks. Grievance number 1. Declaration of Grievance, United States Constitution, Article 4, Section 4 states in part, the United States shall guarantee to every state in this union a republican form of government and shall protect each of them against invasion and on application of the legislature or the executive against domestic violence. Failure of the government of California to provide a republican form of government. California today is governed by a tyrannical government which is destroying the vestiges of representative democratic government by a monoparty system led by a dictator and one group who controls the California government. A monoparty form of governance has been deliberately fashioned to destroy representative governance through illegal district designs, false illegal elections, and corrupt election procedures and actions. A governor was installed for 2 additional terms of office through the use of a corrupt system, which altered the California Constitution. Failure of the government of California to protect each citizen against invasion and domestic violence. Citizens in California are no longer afforded proper United States constitutional guarantees of protection, but instead are subjected to domestic violence and lawlessness, which is killing, wounding, and maiming legal California citizens at the hands of foreign illegal non-citizens. An illegal and unconstitutional, quote, sanctuary, unquote, state status has been legislated by a monoparty and signed by a dictator, declaring unconstitutional protections to illegal non-citizens who have invaded California and created an excessive financial burden, reaped violence and death upon California citizens, along with destruction of personal and real property. The California government and the governor, using the mechanisms of government, have been deliberately encouraging lawlessness by illegal non-citizens with financial incentives, illegal criminal protections, and rights including driver's licenses and voting, which are only afforded to citizens of California. California government officials are illegally and unconstitutionally demanding citizens defy the federal government or face prosecution and fines for following federal law. It is unconstitutional for the states to sabotage valid actions of the United States government per the 1819 United States Supreme Court decision of McCulloch versus Maryland. This concludes grievance number 1. Thank you for your attention.
Anything more, guys?
I mean, would anyone take any questions right now, or?
No, I've got 11:30 I've got to go with. But if you're in touch with Paul Preston, you
I am, yeah.
can handle everything.
Okay.
Thank you for coming out, though.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys? Any?
Thank you.
We're good.
Thanks, Marco.
Yeah, thank you.
Marco?
Nice to meet you.
The Lord bless you.
We'll talk to you
Nice to meet
again.
you.
Take care, bro.